Hello? Today it's DJ14 here again, and today I'm going to bring Cookie and Greenie here. Okay? So, this is really good. Hold on. So, I'm hoping that you like and subscribe to this. So, remember? They were in. Let's see if I can show you guys. Here's Greenie. Sorry about that. There's Greenie. Sorry that word. And then there is, see right there in that corner is Tushy. That's my sister's stuffy. Okay. And now we can do this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is they're going to do something really cool. Oh, so you know how Minecraft creepers, they're scared of cats? Greenie isn't, so I'm gonna show him face up against Cookie. Okay, Cookie is an alpha male cat. Greenie's just a fun creeper. Okay, then introduce Cookie. Or really Greenie. Okay. So, let's start. Didn't know it's messed up, but okay. Sorry, my camera fell for a second there. Yep. Having some fun. Meow. Bam. Oh no. Meow. And you know how Green is supposed to run away? He does it. Meow. 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 They're fighting now. Oh my god. I think Greenie won. Stop, guys. Stop. Okay, I mean, that's the end of the video today. Please like and subscribe to ZJ14.